Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to send BNB to Coinbase wallet. So to send BNB to Coinbase wallet, first and foremost, open up your Coinbase wallet like this. So once you open up your Coinbase wallet, what you'll do is to tap on this arrow over here. Okay, you tap on this arrow which is pointing down, and another one is pointing up. So once you tap on those two arrows, what you do is quite next. Just tap on the receive button there. So when you tap on the receive button, come to search bar over here where you're seeing that word saying search for assets. So you search for BNB. So once you search for BNB, you wait for it to start loading up a bit, as you can see. So once it's done loading up, you tap on BNB, the first coin over there, which is up, and it's the BNB Smart Chain from the Binance. So this is a BNB or the Binance coin. So after that, just copy this coin over here. Copy it. So once you copy the wallet address over there, okay, so this one over here is the wallet address, so you copy it. So once you're done copying the wallet address, we shall head over to our Trust wallet. So right now, I'm assuming you have some BNB on your Trust wallet and you want to send this BNB onto your Coinbase wallet. So quickly, I'll come here. Then I'll input my passcode from my Trust wallet. So after inputting my passcode, I'll tap on send. So when I tap on send over here, okay, I'll come and tap over here and then tap on search. So for this case, I'll search for BNB. So as you can see here, I'm not seeing any BNB. I'll just go back over here. I'll come to the token lists, then I'll look for BNB manually. If you search and you're not seeing it, just go to the token list and look for BNB manually. Alright, so right here in the token list, BNB is over here, so tap on that. So once you tap on BNB, tap on send. So once you tap on send, paste this wallet address over here. Remember, this wallet address we copied from our Coinbase wallet. So right now, input the amount of coins you want to send. For this case, I'll be sending 25 BNB. So once you send 25 BNB, just tap on next. And then when you tap on next, you receive the BNB onto your Coinbase wallet. And that's how to send or to add BNB onto Coinbase wallet. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.